Instagram has become an indispensable platform for businesses and professionals to connect with their audiences and grow their brands. However, there may come a time when you decide that having a business or professional account on Instagram is no longer necessary or beneficial for your needs. We will provide you with a detailed, step-by-step process on how to remove a business or professional account from your Instagram profile, ensuring a seamless transition back to a personal account. Before proceeding with the removal process, it's crucial to understand the implications of switching back to a personal account. Converting a business or professional account to a personal account will result in the following changes. Loss of business-specific features. You will no longer have access to business-specific features such as insights, promotions, and shopping. Removal of business information. Your business name, category, and contact information will be removed from your profile. Deletion of saved replies. Any saved replies created under your business or professional account will be deleted. Resetting of audience insights. Your audience insights will be reset, and you will need to start gathering data again from scratch. Before initiating the removal process, it's highly recommended to back up your Instagram data to ensure you preserve any important information or content. Once your data is backed up, you can proceed with switching back to a personal account. Here's how. Open the Instagram app. Go to your Instagram profile by tapping the bottom profile icon. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Tap Switch Account Type. Now select Switch to Personal Account. Confirm your decision by tapping Switch to Personal Account. Now your account has been switched to the personal account. Once you have removed your business details, it's important to adjust your content accordingly. Remove any posts or stories that are specifically related to your business or professional activities. Instead, focus on creating personal content that aligns with your interests and passions. If you have a significant number of followers who are primarily interested in your business content, it's a good idea to inform them about your decision to switch back to a personal account. You can do this by creating a post or story, explaining your reasons, and directing them to alternative platforms where they can continue to engage with your business. Congratulations! You have now successfully removed your business or professional account from Instagram and reverted back to a personal account. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.